Are you a trader in New Zealand looking for the best Forex brokers in 2026? Choosing the right broker can make all the difference in your trading journey. Today, we'll break down the top brokers that are regulated, reliable, and popular among Kiwi traders. Before we dive into the list, it's important to know what makes a broker the best. Key factors include strong regulation, competitive spreads, fast execution, multiple trading platforms like MT4, MT5, and mobile apps, and positive reviews from real traders. All the brokers we'll mention today meet these criteria. FP Markets, 8cap, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, XM, Focus Markets, AXI, HF Markets. Want to know more about Forex brokers and free Forex education? Check the link below in the description. FP Markets. FP Markets is a highly trusted broker with tight spreads and fast execution. It supports MT4, MT5, and Seed Trader, making it ideal for scalpers and serious traders. 8cap. 8cap is popular for automated trading and MetaTrader users with strong regulation and competitive spreads. Great choice for beginners moving into advanced trading and EA users. Tickmill. Tickmill is famous for very low spreads and commissions, making it perfect for scalpers and day traders. IC Markets. IC Markets offers raw spreads and ultra-fast execution, ideal for high-volume traders and professionals. FX Pro. FX Pro is a well-established broker with a strong reputation. It offers multiple platforms and solid execution quality. Good for long-term traders and those who value stability. FBS. FBS is perfect for low-budget beginners with flexible accounts and learning tools. Best for new traders and low-budget starters. XM. XM is very beginner-focused with strong education, webinars, and support. It's widely trusted and easy to use, ideal for absolute beginners looking for balance. Focus Markets. Focus Markets provides competitive spreads and modern trading tools. It's growing in popularity among Asian traders, suitable for intermediate traders looking for balance. AXI. AXI offers institutional-grade execution and tight pricing. It's regulated and well-suited for experienced traders. Best for advanced traders and serious Forex participants. HF Markets. HF Market is globally regulated and trusted. Offers multiple accounts, swap-free options, and a strong trading app. Best for flexible and mobile-focused traders. That's our list of the best Forex brokers in New Zealand. All these brokers are regulated, reliable, and have been tested by traders like you. When choosing a broker in New Zealand, consider regulation, trading costs, available instruments, customer support, and the trading platform that suits your style. Always test with a demo account before committing real funds. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers in the video, please visit our website. Forex trading in New Zealand can be safe and rewarding if you choose the right broker. Like the video, subscribe, and comment on which broker you're using or planning to try. I'll see you in the next Forex broker review.